Hi, welcome back to my channel, Giselle here. So in this video, I want talk about how to make or how to put the background or music background or sound effect in your video without copyright, because when you are using the copyright music, especially you are already monetized in the YPP program or in the YouTube channel or the YouTube company, so it will affect to your channel if you want to use the copyright music. Okay, so easy for you, but the YouTube is very good also that they make by themselves, that we can use the sound effect, and then you can download from that and you can save for your files. That is really easy for you, that free, it was free, and then you have to just go through the audio library, and then you go through the audio library and you can see there the free music and the sound effect. Okay, so you can see all that, what mood is that, happy, calm, or inspirational music. You inspirational music, they have a calm music, like for example motivational music, you can take from the audio library in the YouTube channel. Okay, in your YouTube videos, that must be careful. I advise you guys, you don't use the copyright music that which is you already monetized. Okay, so be careful on that. So I advise you to use in the YouTube audio library, that really free, and you cannot be copyright. If copyright, the YouTube very fast, and then they will remove you in the YPP program. Okay, so really I hope guys that you can find it, that you can receive my tutorial now that I show you, and I will share to you that which is for when I was in the beginning, also when I was just started, that I take the music from the others, from the other, like for example I just download, and then once I put in my video together as a background music, so I did the copyright, and then the YouTube sent to me the email that this video is copyrighted, then you cannot be published. Okay, so or someone owner of the music, that which is they claim that that is my music, so the YouTube will be automatically, it will be copyrighted. Okay, so you have to be very very careful how you download your videos with the background and sound effect. Okay, so the audio library is really good and free for everything that you can download from that. Of course you must save to the files, that you don't forget, like me before, I don't know how to save the files, that I forget also, and then I thought it was lost. Okay, so you have to put the name, or that you can remember which files you save the audio library music. Okay, so it's very simple guys. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for those subscribes already, and then for those not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting me guys, and hope you have to be support me at the end or watch in this video if you want to learn how to download your audio music, background music in your videos. Okay, so I hope guys that you have to you have to check until the end. You have to watch this video if you really want to learn how to put the music background or music sound effect in your videos. So it's quite very simple and very easy, and no copyright, and it was free. Okay, so just download and check. It is suit for your videos to be a background or sound effects. It's really good that you download and go through the audio library in the YouTube channel or in the YouTube. Okay, so hope you guys you enjoy watching. Thank you so much. Please watch until the end. Thank you a lot. Okay, I will show you this video. Okay, we go and direct to the videos that I will show you the without copyrighted and audio library in the YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Going to my YouTube channel, that which is okay, so I will go to my YouTube channel, which is easy for you guys to see, to watch, that which is how to find the YouTube videos or YouTube background or music free. So this one I will show you, and easy for you guys how to make or how to put the background. Okay, so including with your videos.
Huwag
So
niyo kami
very
i-judge
easy
guys,
for
ang
you
dami
to
nito,
watch.
pero sobrang
Because
ano
I just
siya,
watch this one,
siksik
that's why the
talaga
thing come out
siya.
here. So I am fan for her. I am the number one fans of this Jigs. So that's why it will come out here. Thank you so much. I watch for this, videos. I really like her. So now, okay, here we are here in my dashboard. So you can find from here, you lower down. Okay, we go down here. Okay, see here from this part. Okay, from this part you can see the audio library. Okay, so you can see in the audio library, from that, okay, so you can look at that. It's really is full of music. Okay, if full of music, you can track the title. Is the title and the genre, all the hip hop, rap, or dance, electronic, the ambience. So the mood, sad, angry, happy. So if you want to download from this part, is easy for you. Okay, so you can see from that, and then if you can which one, if you really want the new music. If you really want the new music, you can find from here the duration, how many duration you need. And here you can go through the audio library classic. Okay, so this is have two portion, the free music and the sound effect. Okay, so the free music, you can, if your videos reach about the duration is 10, okay, so 17, a bit longer a bit, and then you can download from here. You press download and you check whether, and after you download, for example like this, and then you download from your files that easy for you to remember. Okay, so you press from here, and then it will come out all these things. Okay, so you can for the genre here, for like this hip hop, okay, children's, okay, so you can see from here. Okay, so here all the genders, if you really want to find that, the mood, angry, bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, happy, inspiration, and romantic or sad. So you can find from here. Okay, so the attribution, like for example, like required, attribution required, then you can check from here all the license. Okay, so here you can find all the license here, and then the attribution, duration, the longer videos you want, then you can check from that. Okay, so if you really want the duration about less 1 minute or 5 minutes or longer than that, you can press from here. So you have to find example here. Look at that, it's 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is really good, that if you have a longer videos, then you can you can insert from your videos or background effects. So you can download from here, you can find it the duration or how long your videos until the end. So you find here at the free in the audio library, the duration is for example 11 minutes, so you can download from here. From the start to the end, you have a music in your YouTube videos. Okay, so it was very easy. Okay, the instrument, for example, you want the piano, you want acoustic guitar, you want the bass, you want the drums, you can see from here, you can check the music that really suit for your content that really good, that if you want the background is, example, you want the tutorial, then the tutorial is have a music, so if you want, like for example, the vlog, so if you want to put the background, the music is very good also. And then you can come here. Okay, so you can come here about here the duration, inspiration, the funky, the drama, you can find from here the music. Okay, so here the sound effect, we go to the sound effect. For the come out here, sound effect will be moving into the redesigned audio library soon. Soon they will be moving into the redesign. Okay, so they will update also the YouTube. So you come here, the browse and download free sound effects for your project. Okay, so it's really easy for you, that which is you can find the how to say, you can find the music or background for yourself, for your videos. You can find from here alarm, all a lot here. Okay, so emergency, sports, tolls, transportation, everything is here, the categories, and then you can find from here. It's really a lot, and it was free, and you don't need to worry to find the music without copyright. Okay, so already have free in the YouTube. So you find here, you can find from here, and then okay, so you just find from this, and easy for you. Okay, it was very easy. And then you go back here. For example, you want to add or edit your videos, that you want to add the music from which is you download at the early on. For example, this one. Okay, we add a music from the library, that which is we already download. Okay, so here we edit. So we edit from here, and we press the music sign, the note sign. Okay, press here. Okay, example like this.
Hi,
Okay,
welcome back to my channel.
and
Next
then
video,
you can
today I will show
take
you
from
how to
here.
use your
Okay, easy.
analytic tools
Okay,
in
we
your
want to
YouTube
put,
channel,
like for
that which is
example,
you can
romantic,
monitor
inspirational,
how
bright, or
what is
calm, or
going on
happy.
to your videos.
So we go
okay,
to
to your
the,
site.
so
So
how
today in
long
this
my
video I will
video
show you
here,
and
about
explain to
15
you and where
minutes.
to check
So we will
when is
find
your
the more
videos
than 15
downloaded or
minutes. Okay,
videos
more than,
published.
okay, like for
So
example
easy
this
for
one,
you
you
guys.
can
Okay,
find
today I
and
will show
come.
you
Okay,
how it
we can
is.
add this video, you add to the video, and then you can come here. You can see that from the beginning until to the end. Okay, so that is very easy for you. You no need to go through the other application or other website or browser that you want to download, that you have to dangerous for you, especially you are demonetized, and then the YouTube will you will remove you in the monetization or YPP program. Okay, so be careful to put the copyright music that really is will affect your channel. Okay, so try your best you don't use the with copyright music. So as you can see here, you can remove the track if you do want to. I just want to show you. Then
Hi, welcome
if
back
you
to my
need the
channel. In this
music
video,
from here, they will here also shortcut to come out from this part. Okay, for the early on I shall show you from this part, already show you for the beginning, easy for you when you want to download. Okay, so hope you guys you learn from me. I will show you again one more. So easy is very easy for you. Okay, quite very simple. It's very simple. Okay, you can see this all. Okay, okay, you just find it from here. You go to the YouTube studio, and then you can find the audio library. Easy for you. Okay, hope you guys you learn from this video. If you really if you really learn from me, please don't shy to comments my YouTube videos. I hope guys that you can learn from me for these videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching and thanks for the support.